Ah, I just stubbed my toe.
Great job!
Baldi! Has everyone done their classroom jobs? Yes, Mr. Baldi.
Great job!
Your parents will hear about this one. You should know better. No eating food in the halls.
Can't believe.
Great no!
What the heck?
Right-click on the object with the quarter selected. That's how you use items, you know.
If you say so. Does anyone have a keyboard or a quarter?